The Bravada Atlas V is a luxury yacht series designed primarily for calm freshwater environments such as rivers and lakes. These vessels emphasize spacious interiors and practical layouts rather than open ocean performance. Depending on the model, the Atlas V can include features such as multiple living areas, 2 kitchens, and up to 5 cabins for guests and crew. Some versions also offer recreational additions like a large waterslide and expansive deck space designed for relaxation. Interior living space can reach around 3,200 square feet, giving the yacht a layout closer to a floating residence than a traditional performance boat. The series is available in several configurations. Examples include a 60-foot tri-deck model, a larger single-deck version approaching 90 feet, and heavier models that may support optional features such as a helipad. Prices vary widely depending on size and customization. Entry models start around $395,000, while larger, more specialized builds can approach $2 million. The Bluefield C310 is a compact residential houseboat designed for people who want a functional living space on the water. It offers around 310 square feet of interior area and can be configured with either 1 or 2 bedrooms, depending on the owner's needs. Inside, the layout follows an open-plan design that combines the living room, kitchen, and dining area into a single space. The kitchen includes built-in appliances and practical storage. The bathroom features a walk-in shower and standard residential fittings. The boat also includes front and rear balconies, providing outdoor space for relaxing, fishing, or simply enjoying the surrounding water views. These areas expand the usable space and allow for fresh air and natural light. Construction focuses on durability, using metal cladding and composite decking to handle outdoor conditions while maintaining a modern appearance. The Bluefield C310 is typically priced around $191,200. Depending on availability and customization choices, delivery times generally range from 4 to 6 months. Swedish company Candela has introduced the P12, an electric passenger ferry that uses hydrofoil technology to reduce drag and energy consumption. The vessel is designed to lift above the water on 3 carbon fiber wings once it reaches takeoff speed, allowing it to travel more efficiently than conventional boats. The ferry is powered by 2 C-Pod electric drive units. During testing, the P12 prototype reached its maximum speed of about 30 knots, accelerating from a takeoff speed of around 16 knots. A sensor-based control system automatically adjusts the hydrofoil angles to maintain balance and provide a smoother ride in changing water conditions. The vessel measures 11.99 meters in length with a beam of 4.5 meters. The shuttle configuration can carry up to 30 seated passengers and includes an automatic bow ramp designed to align with different dock heights. Space is also available for bicycles, strollers, and wheelchairs. Candela has started series production, and the ferry is expected to enter Stockholm's public transport network to improve travel times on certain routes. Inland LNG carrier. Liquefied natural gas carriers are specialized ships designed to transport LNG safely across long distances. These vessels move natural gas that has been cooled to approximately -162 degrees Celsius, a temperature that turns the gas into liquid and reduces its volume, making large-scale transport possible. Modern LNG carriers are among the largest ships in commercial shipping. Some can reach lengths comparable to 3 football fields and carry up to about 267,000 cubic meters of LNG. Their storage tanks are heavily insulated to maintain extremely low temperatures and prevent the cargo from warming during the journey. The construction of LNG carriers requires advanced engineering and is handled by a limited number of specialized shipyards. These vessels use complex containment systems and reliable propulsion technologies designed to support long ocean voyages. Safety and efficiency are central to their design. From liquefaction terminals to receiving ports, LNG carriers form an important link in the global natural gas supply chain, enabling energy resources to move between regions that produce gas and those that consume it. Arcup 75. The Arcup 75 is a hybrid structure that combines elements of a boat, a floating house, and a waterfront villa. Designed for long-term living on the water, it measures approximately 75 feet in length and 32 feet in width. This provides around 4,350 square feet of total space, including about 2,700 square feet of interior living area. The upper roof is fitted with a solar panel system capable of generating roughly 36 kilowatts of power. These panels help supply electricity for onboard systems and support extended off-grid operation. The roof design also allows rainwater to be collected and stored, reducing reliance on external water sources. Inside, the layout includes 4 bedrooms and 4.5 bathrooms, offering private space for residents and guests. Large windows and open living areas are intended to maximize natural light and views of the surrounding water. For stability, the structure uses 4 hydraulic legs that can lift the platform above the water surface. This system helps reduce movement from waves and improves safety during rough weather conditions. BioCell X BioSilk. BioCell X BioSilk is an automated biodispensing platform designed to simplify the creation of 3-dimensional cell cultures in laboratory environments. The compact benchtop system focuses on precision while reducing the technical barriers often associated with advanced bioprinting tools. The platform integrates a controlled dispensing mechanism that manages the mixing and placement of biomaterials such as hydrogels and collagen. This process allows researchers to build structured 3D cell environments that more closely represent biological tissue. Such models are useful in studying disease behavior and evaluating potential drug responses under controlled conditions. BioSilk is designed to work with common laboratory formats, including multi-well plates like the 384-well configuration. This compatibility supports high-throughput experiments and helps laboratories maintain consistent sample preparation across multiple tests. Automation also reduces manual handling steps, which can improve repeatability and minimize experimental variation. By combining controlled material dispensing with standardized workflows, BioCell X BioSilk provides researchers with a practical tool for developing complex cell models used in biomedical research. Arix Systems Axis MU-1. The Axis MU-1 is a compact drone developed by Arix Systems to explore new approaches in aerial mobility and control. Built in France, the drone uses a gyroscope-based propulsion concept that allows it to move in multiple directions without relying on traditional flight mechanics. Measuring approximately 40 by 40 centimeters, the aircraft is designed for maneuverability in confined environments. Its control system allows stable hovering and the ability to change orientation quickly, including inverted flight. The platform is also engineered to maintain stability in challenging wind conditions. According to available specifications, the drone can reach speeds close to 200 km per hour and travel distances of around 20 km within roughly 15 minutes of operation. A modular architecture allows the drone to carry different payloads depending on the mission. These may include sensors, artificial intelligence processing modules, surveillance equipment, or counter-drone systems. Because of its compact size and adaptable design, the Axis MU-1 can be configured for tasks ranging from inspection and monitoring to specialized security and defense applications. Blackfly is a compact electric aircraft designed for vertical takeoff and landing. Instead of using a runway, it can lift straight up and descend vertically, similar to a helicopter. The aircraft is part of a growing category known as electric VTOL, which focuses on short-distance personal flight. The structure is lightweight and built for a single occupant. Multiple electric motors provide lift and forward movement, while onboard software assists with stability and flight control. This design reduces mechanical complexity compared to traditional aircraft. One notable aspect of Blackfly is its regulatory classification in some regions as an ultralight aircraft. Because of this category, formal pilot licensing requirements may differ from those of standard airplanes, although operators still need proper training and must follow aviation rules. Safety systems include redundant components and a ballistic parachute that can deploy in emergencies. Electric propulsion also produces less noise than many conventional aircraft engines. Overall, Blackfly represents an experimental approach to personal air mobility using electric power and vertical flight capability. Sunday Robotics Memo. Sunday Robotics Memo is a home robot developed to assist with routine household tasks through practical automation. Instead of a humanoid design, Memo uses a wheeled base with a vertically adjustable column. This structure allows the robot to move efficiently through indoor spaces and reach different surfaces such as floors, countertops, and tables. The system relies on artificial intelligence trained on large datasets of human task demonstrations. This training allows Memo to recognize common household activities and perform tasks such as folding laundry, loading dishwashers, organizing objects, and preparing simple items like coffee. Memo's design focuses on stability and safety. Its soft outer materials and balanced movement help it operate in typical home environments where furniture, objects, and people create unpredictable pathways. Sensors and onboard processing allow the robot to navigate while avoiding obstacles. Another key feature is its ability to update and improve through software and additional training data. As new tasks are introduced, the robot can gradually expand its capabilities. Memo represents an example of how robotics is being applied to everyday domestic work. Can-Am Canyon. The 2025 Can-Am Canyon is a three-wheel touring motorcycle designed for mixed on-road and light off-road travel. It uses a 1,330cc Rotax inline-3 engine that produces about 115 horsepower and roughly 130 Nm of torque. Power is delivered through a 6-speed semi-automatic transmission that also includes a reverse gear, making low-speed maneuvering easier. The vehicle is equipped with electronic throttle control and a stability management system that offers several riding modes, including normal, sport, all-road, and rally. These modes adjust traction and throttle response to suit different surfaces and riding styles. Its suspension setup uses AA arms at the front with long travel shocks, while the rear features a swing arm with additional travel to handle uneven terrain. Braking is managed by Brembo 4-piston front calipers paired with 270mm discs. A 10.25-inch touchscreen supports Apple CarPlay and provides vehicle information. Additional features include an adjustable windshield, integrated storage options, and dynamic power steering designed to improve handling and rider comfort. The Silent 120 Explorer is a 34-meter solar-powered luxury catamaran designed to combine long-range cruising with reduced fuel dependence. Its energy system includes a battery bank with around 800 kWh of capacity and photovoltaic panels capable of producing up to 40 kilowatts at peak output. Under favorable conditions, the yacht can cruise at speeds of up to 14 knots using stored solar energy. Built with an ocean-going certification, the vessel is intended for extended voyages and stable operation in open water. The interior layout includes 6 guest staterooms, a spacious salon, a fully equipped kitchen, and a flybridge deck designed for relaxation and panoramic views. Additional onboard amenities may include features such as a small wellness area, entertainment spaces, and storage for water-based equipment. The yacht is designed to host up to 12 guests with accommodation for a crew of 6. Overall, the Silent 120 Explorer represents a modern approach to yacht design, focusing on renewable energy integration, long-range capability, and comfortable living space at sea. Dutch Cat 12 Houseboat. The Dutch Cat 12 is a modern houseboat designed to combine residential comfort with practical marine engineering. The vessel measures 12.55 meters in length and has a beam of 4.90 meters, providing a stable platform and a spacious interior layout suitable for extended stays on the water. Inside, the boat includes 2 separate cabins designed to host guests, offering sleeping space for up to 4 people. The living area features a central saloon with large windows that provide wide views of the surrounding water and allow natural light to enter the space. The houseboat is equipped with 2 bathrooms, each fitted with rain-style showers. A fully equipped kitchen includes standard appliances for preparing meals during longer trips or while docked. Propulsion is handled by a hybrid system that combines diesel and electric power. This setup allows the vessel to operate quietly in electric mode while maintaining the range and reliability of a diesel engine. The Dutch Cat 12 is priced at approximately €299,000. Build Tiny's, Zealand, is a compact tiny house design inspired by the countryside aesthetic often associated with The Lord of the Rings, The Fellowship of the Ring. While physical production of this model is currently paused, the architectural plans remain available for purchase for those interested in building it independently. The Zealand measures approximately 8 meters in length and is designed to maximize usable space within a limited footprint. Despite its compact size, The layout includes a living area, a functional kitchen, a bathroom, 2 sleeping lofts or bedrooms, and integrated staircase storage. The staircase doubles as cabinetry, helping to reduce clutter and improve efficiency. The structure is built on a tandem axle trailer, making it suitable for relocation when required. Its mobility makes it practical for individuals seeking a small-scale dwelling that can adapt to different locations. The design emphasizes space optimization rather than decorative excess. Every section of the floor plan serves a defined purpose, demonstrating how careful planning can make a small home feel structured and livable. The availability of blueprints allows builders to customize materials and finishes based on budget and regional requirements. Overall, the Zealand represents a compact housing solution focused on functionality, transportability, and efficient use of space. Boom XB1 is a 1/3 scale demonstrator developed by Boom Supersonic to test technologies intended for the commercial supersonic airliner concept known as Overture. In 2025, the demonstrator completed supersonic flight, reaching Mach 1.122 at an altitude above 35,000 feet, marking the first instance of a privately developed civil aircraft achieving sustained supersonic speeds. The aircraft is powered by 3 turbojet engines supplied by General Electric and incorporates composite materials to reduce weight and improve aerodynamic efficiency. Its flight testing focuses on validating aerodynamic performance and techniques for mitigating the ground-level impact of sonic booms by redirecting shockwaves. Data collected from the program supports research and development efforts related to future supersonic passenger aviation. Product name: Jetpack Aviation Speeder. The Speeder, developed by Jetpack Aviation, is a groundbreaking engineering achievement with the potential to revolutionize personal transportation. Recognized as the world's first flying motorcycle, this futuristic, motorcycle-inspired vehicle delivers extraordinary performance powered by 8 compact jet engines. With an exceptional size-to-payload ratio, the Speeder weighs approximately 300 pounds yet can carry up to 600 pounds of cargo, an impressive feat of design and efficiency. Currently undergoing rigorous testing, the aircraft is expected to receive FAA certification in the near future. It is not just a concept or vision of tomorrow, but a fully operational prototype demonstrating real-world capability. Its performance is nothing short of astonishing. The civilian version can cruise at 60 miles per hour for nearly 30 minutes, while a military-grade unmanned variant can reach speeds of up to 400 miles per hour at an altitude of 100 feet, making it significantly less vulnerable to ground fire. With a starting price of $381,000, this remarkable innovation is now available for pre-order directly through Jetpack Aviation. The Hexa aircraft is an electric vertical takeoff and landing (eVTOL) vehicle developed by Lift Aircraft. It is designed as a single-seat ultralight aircraft intended for personal flight without requiring a traditional pilot's license under certain regulatory categories. The aircraft uses 18 independent electric motors arranged in 6 evenly spaced sections around the pilot. Each propeller is controlled by adjusting individual motor speeds, allowing the system to manage lift, balance, and directional movement electronically. This distributed propulsion design also creates an open structure around the cockpit, providing the occupant with wide, unobstructed visibility. Hexa is built with amphibious capability, enabling it to take off and land on both solid ground and calm water surfaces. Flight control is managed through a simplified interface that includes a single joystick supported by a triple redundant flight computer system. The onboard system assists with stabilization and core flight functions, reducing pilot workload. On a full battery charge, the aircraft can operate for approximately 15 minutes, with an estimated range of about 40 miles, 64 kilometers, depending on flight conditions and usage. The trackless Snow Lion icebreaker is a tractor-mounted attachment designed to mechanically fracture compacted ice on sidewalks and pedestrian surfaces. Its operation relies on a direct mechanical drive system. Power is transferred through the tractor's forward movement, eliminating the need for hydraulic connections or auxiliary power shafts. This simplifies installation and reduces setup time. The attachment features 2 cutting sections arranged in sequence. Each section measures 47 inches in width, allowing the surface to be processed twice in a single pass. Together, the system ensures consistent coverage and improved ice fragmentation. Each cutting section contains 4 pairs of cutter wheels, totaling 16 wheels across the machine. Every wheel measures 10 inches in diameter and is equipped with 15 hardened steel knives. Rather than scraping the ice, these knives deliver repeated impacts, breaking the surface into smaller fragments. This striking action is particularly effective on compacted or layered ice. Each cutter wheel is mounted on an independent, spring-supported arm. This design allows vertical movement, enabling the wheels to adapt to uneven terrain. Sidewalks, ramps, driveway crossings, and sloped walkways often develop irregular ice layers due to foot traffic, melting, refreezing, and water runoff. The independent suspension ensures consistent contact with these varied surfaces. The attachment is compatible with municipal tractors, including trackless models. Because it does not require hydraulic hoses or additional drive components, mounting is straightforward. An adjustable support leg assists with alignment during installation, while removable weights allow operators to modify balance based on working conditions or transport requirements. Jetoptera J2000. The Jetoptera J2000 is a conceptual vertical takeoff and landing (VTOL) aircraft designed for urban mobility and regional travel. Developed by Jetoptera, the aircraft is positioned as a compact air vehicle capable of operating without traditional runways. The J2000 is designed to take off and land vertically, allowing it to operate in confined spaces. Its projected top speed is around 200 miles per hour, with an estimated range of approximately 200 miles. These specifications suggest potential use cases such as short regional transport or air taxi services. A key feature of the J2000 is its fluidic propulsion system, FPS, which differs from conventional propeller-based designs. Instead of exposed rotors, the system uses compressed air directed through specially shaped channels to generate thrust. This approach is inspired by fluidic amplification principles, similar in concept to bladeless fan technology. The aircraft incorporates 4 circular, hoop-like thrusters, 2 positioned toward the front and 2 at the rear. During vertical operations, the thrusters provide lift. In forward flight, the rear units contribute to propulsion, while the design aims to streamline airflow around the body. The enclosed configuration is intended to reduce external moving parts, which may influence noise levels, safety considerations, and aerodynamic efficiency. As a VTOL concept, the J2000 represents an alternative approach to electric rotor-based air taxis and tilt rotor systems. Its development reflects ongoing experimentation in urban air mobility, where manufacturers are exploring different propulsion methods to improve performance, efficiency, and operational flexibility. Jetson 1 is a single-seat electric vertical takeoff and landing aircraft developed by the Swedish company Jetson. The company was founded in 2017 by entrepreneur Peter Turnstrom and drone specialist Tomas Padden with the objective of building a compact personal aircraft designed for simplified operation. The aircraft is built around a lightweight aluminum space frame combined with a carbon fiber and Kevlar composite body. This structure keeps the empty weight at approximately 86 kilograms, 190 pounds, allowing it to qualify under U.S. ultralight regulations. Under FAA Part 103 rules, aircraft in this category do not require a pilot's license for operation in the United States, provided they meet specific weight and performance limits. Jetson 1 uses 8 electric motors arranged in a multirotor configuration. Unlike a conventional airplane or helicopter, it relies on distributed electric propulsion to generate vertical lift and controlled maneuvering. The system is powered by a high-discharge lithium-ion battery pack. The aircraft has a reported flight time of around 20 minutes under typical conditions and can reach speeds of up to 102 km per hour, or 63 miles per hour. It is designed to carry a single pilot weighing up to 100 kilograms, or approximately 210 pounds. Jetson 1 represents a compact approach to personal electric flight, combining lightweight materials, multirotor architecture, and battery-powered propulsion within the regulatory framework for ultralight aircraft. The Manta AN-2 is a hybrid electric vertical takeoff and landing aircraft designed for short-range regional transport and special mission use. It combines conventional fixed-wing flight with vertical lift capability, allowing it to operate from confined areas as well as short runways. The aircraft has a tandem 2-seat configuration and is built primarily from carbon composite materials to reduce weight and improve structural efficiency. Its aerodynamic layout includes a V-tail and forward canard surfaces, intended to enhance stability and overall flight performance. Propulsion is provided by 8 electric ducted fans, 4 fixed and 4 tilting units. This arrangement supports both vertical takeoff and landing and conventional forward flight. The hybrid power system integrates onboard generators with battery storage, and it is designed to operate using sustainable aviation fuel for the combustion component. In cruise configuration, the aircraft is projected to reach speeds of up to 300 km per hour, with a maximum range of approximately 1,000 km under specified operating conditions. Flight control is managed through a fly-by-wire system, supported by a head-down display interface. For emergency scenarios, the aircraft is equipped with a ballistic parachute system intended to enhance occupant safety. The airframe is designed with modularity in mind, allowing relatively straightforward assembly, disassembly, and transport. This flexibility supports maintenance logistics and potential deployment to remote locations. The Manta AN2 is positioned for applications such as medical evacuation, search and rescue operations, and short-distance regional mobility, where the ability to operate from limited infrastructure may offer operational advantages. Moon Bikes is a fully electric snowbike designed as an alternative to traditional gasoline-powered snowmobiles. Developed and manufactured in the French Alps, it focuses on reducing noise and eliminating direct emissions while operating in snowy environments. The vehicle uses an electric propulsion system that delivers a top speed of approximately 26 miles per hour. An optional extended battery pack increases range for longer rides. Weighing around 192 pounds, the snowbike is significantly lighter than most conventional snowmobiles, which typically weigh several hundred pounds. Its lower weight contributes to easier handling, storage, and transport. The design emphasizes balance and stability. A low center of gravity and compact frame aim to provide controlled maneuvering over packed snow and moderate powder conditions. The riding experience is intended to feel closer to that of a lightweight motorcycle adapted for winter terrain rather than a large utility snowmobile. Moon Bikes can be customized with a selection of accessories, and it is available in multiple color options. The product is positioned for recreational winter use, offering a quieter and more compact electric alternative within the snow transport category. The Movable Roots War Tiny Home is a 28-foot long, 8.5-foot wide mobile residence offering just over 300 square feet of interior space, including a loft. Built on a trailer platform, it is designed to balance compact living with practical functionality. The layout includes a lofted bedroom with adequate headroom and integrated storage. The kitchen is arranged in an L shape, providing expanded counter space with quartz surfaces and custom-built cabinetry for efficient organization. The main living area accommodates a standard couch, a coffee table, and a television setup, creating a defined space for daily use. The bathroom includes a walk-in shower, a sink vanity, and a standard flush toilet. Overall, the design focuses on maximizing usable space within a compact footprint. It is suited for individuals or couples seeking a smaller living environment with essential residential features integrated into a mobile structure. The Nazeni EALL is a 5-seat electric aircraft concept developed in Armenia, positioned within the emerging urban air mobility sector. The design centers on distributed electric propulsion, using 36 electric ducted fan (EDF) units integrated into the airframe. The aircraft has a reported maximum takeoff weight of 1,400 kilograms and a maximum payload capacity of 500 kilograms. It is designed to reach speeds of up to 295 kilometers per hour. With a maximum flight time of approximately 70 minutes, the projected range is up to 350 kilometers under optimal conditions. The maximum operating altitude is listed at 2,500 meters. Energy is supplied by a rechargeable battery system, with an estimated charging time of around 45 minutes. The primary structure is constructed from carbon fiber composites, selected to reduce weight while maintaining structural strength. The distributed EDF configuration is intended to improve efficiency, maneuverability, and redundancy compared to single propulsion layouts. As an electric platform, the concept aligns with efforts to develop quieter, lower-emission aircraft for short-distance and urban operations. While still at the concept stage, the Nazeni EALL reflects ongoing experimentation in electric aviation and autonomous flight technologies aimed at future urban transport solutions. Heavy snowfall regions require equipment that can clear large volumes of snow efficiently and consistently. In northern areas such as Hokkaido, annual snowfall can reach extreme levels. Similar conditions are found in parts of Siberia and Alaska, where prolonged cold and steady moisture result in significant snow accumulation. In these environments, snow removal is a necessary part of maintaining transportation and operations. The Overossen as UTV-175 is a heavy-duty snowblower attachment designed for high-capacity clearing. It creates a clearing path approximately 8 feet 9 inches wide and just over 4 feet high, allowing it to handle deep and compacted snow. At the front of the unit, a wide auger collects snow evenly across the intake width. The auger moves the snow toward the center of the machine, where a high-speed impeller accelerates it into the discharge system. This two-stage process ensures continuous material flow and reduces the risk of clogging, even when snow density varies. The system is capable of processing up to approximately 1,350 US tons of snow per hour under optimal conditions. Performance depends on factors such as snow type, moisture content, and operating speed. Operator control is a key aspect of the design. Snow can be discharged to either side or directed through a rotating chute. A triple flap outlet allows adjustment of the throw pattern and trajectory. In addition, the impeller housing can be angled up to 45 degrees to the left or 60 degrees to the right, enabling more precise snow placement along roads, runways, or confined areas. Overall, the UTV-175 is engineered to provide consistent snow removal performance in regions where winter conditions demand reliable, high-capacity equipment. The Romao prototype is a concept travel trailer designed to rethink how space is used in compact mobile living. It features a towable structure that transforms once parked, expanding into a larger living area through a motorized deployment system. The trailer's main structural element rotates outward from its outer shell after setup. This movement reveals a built-in deck that extends the usable floor area and creates a transition between interior and exterior space. The configuration supports indoor-outdoor living by integrating a patio area that can function as both a dining space and an outdoor kitchen. The setup process is designed to be automated, reducing the physical effort typically required when preparing a campsite. Materials and finishes focus on durability and comfort, combining a traditional aesthetic with contemporary construction techniques. Future production plans indicate a slightly longer body to improve storage capacity. Aside from that adjustment, the interior layout is intended to prioritize practical organization, efficient use of space, and residential-level comfort within a compact footprint. Overall, the Romao prototype presents a modular approach to caravanning, emphasizing spatial flexibility, automated deployment, and functional outdoor integration. Scorpion 3 Hoverbike. The Scorpion 3 is an electric hoverbike that merges elements of a traditional motorcycle with quadcopter flight technology. Structurally, it resembles a bike, but lift is generated by 4 rotors positioned around the frame, enabling vertical takeoff and landing. The vehicle is designed to carry a single rider with a maximum payload of 104 kilograms, or 229 pounds. It can reach speeds of up to 43 miles per hour. Operational range is approximately 13 miles under standard conditions. In flight, the Scorpion 3 can climb to an altitude of around 33 feet. Flight duration varies between 15 and 40 minutes, depending on rider weight and operating conditions. The battery system requires roughly 3 hours for a full recharge. A modular battery design allows for rapid swapping, which can reduce downtime to about 1 minute when a charged unit is available. Rather than being a conceptual prototype, the Scorpion 3 has undergone flight testing and is presented as a functional quadcopter-based personal transport platform. Surla Houseboats is a Netherlands-based company founded in 2020 by Robert Jan Merle. The company develops residential houseboats designed for long-term living, with a focus on energy independence and reduced environmental impact. The first Surla houseboat launched in 2020, marking the beginning of the company's approach to off-grid living. Each unit is built by hand and constructed with attention to material efficiency and durability. The design prioritizes self-sufficiency, allowing the houseboats to operate without permanent connections to traditional utility networks. To reduce environmental impact, Surla integrates recycled materials where possible, including insulation made from repurposed PET bottles. The boats are equipped with onboard filtration systems that treat and manage water, minimizing reliance on external supply and storage systems. Energy systems are designed to support autonomous operation, enabling residents to live independently from standard infrastructure. In terms of layout, Surla houseboats emphasize open interior space and functional design. Large windows, efficient floor plans, and modern finishes are used to create a comfortable residential environment suited for year-round habitation. Surla houseboats represents a contemporary approach to floating homes, combining off-grid technology with practical residential design. The Forces Tracker 800SX is a rugged side-by-side ATV designed for heavy-duty performance. It features an 8,812cc 3-cylinder engine that produces 50 feet lb of torque, providing strong and reliable power for a variety of terrains. Built with durability in mind, the 800SX includes a full-length skid plate and electronic power steering, allowing it to carry loads up to 1,000 pounds with stability and control. Its suspension system offers 10 inches of front travel, and the vehicle comes equipped with a tilting cargo bed with lift assist, 4WD, and an electronic locking differential for enhanced traction. The cabin is designed for comfort and utility, making it suitable for both work and recreational use. With its capability to handle snow, ice, and rugged trails, the Forces Tracker 800SX is a versatile choice for outdoor enthusiasts and professionals alike. The Tucker Snowcat is a purpose-built over snow vehicle designed for transportation and utility work in extreme winter conditions. Its defining feature is a 4-track system with articulated steering, which distributes weight across a wide surface area. This configuration improves traction and stability on deep snow while reducing ground pressure, allowing the vehicle to travel over soft or uneven terrain with minimal surface disturbance. The articulated design enables controlled maneuvering on slopes and in confined areas, making it suitable for operations where conventional wheeled vehicles cannot function reliably. Tucker manufactures the Snowcat in multiple configurations, ranging from compact 2-passenger models to larger variants capable of carrying up to 15 occupants, depending on layout and equipment. Common applications include snow trail grooming, agricultural support in snow-covered regions, and the transport of personnel, supplies, and equipment to remote locations during winter months. Specifications vary by model, but the entry-level 2000 Extra Light version is equipped with an engine producing approximately 130 horsepower. Pricing depends on configuration, selected features, and optional equipment. The base price for a new 2000 Extra Light model begins at around $125,000, with higher costs associated with additional customization and larger models. The Tinga Proda is a body-on-frame all-terrain vehicle designed for off-road use in demanding environments. Its construction emphasizes durability and balanced weight distribution, contributing to stable handling across uneven terrain. Introduced in 2023 by a Russian manufacturer, the Tinga Proda is built for practical applications such as hunting, fishing, and fieldwork, including infrastructure inspections. With a ground clearance of 500 mm, it is engineered to navigate obstacles like rocks, mud, and snow more effectively than standard utility vehicles. The vehicle has a stated top speed of 50 km per hour, reflecting its focus on controlled off-road mobility rather than highway performance. The model has drawn interest beyond its domestic market, including attention from Australia. With a listed price of $660,000, it targets buyers seeking a specialized off-road platform for professional or recreational use. Overall, the Tinga Proda positions itself as a purpose-built solution for users who require dependable performance in challenging terrain. The hydrogen-powered chase boats developed for the 37th America's Cup represent a practical step toward lower-emission marine support vessels. Built to accompany high-performance racing yachts, these boats use hydrogen fuel cells to generate onboard electricity. The system produces electrical power through an electrochemical reaction, emitting only water vapor at the point of use. In addition to their alternative power source, the vessels incorporate hydrofoil technology. As speed increases, underwater foils lift the hull partially above the surface, reducing drag and improving overall efficiency. This design supports stable handling while maintaining the speed required to follow competitive racing yachts. The integration of hydrogen propulsion with advanced hull dynamics reflects a broader shift within marine engineering toward reduced environmental impact. Rather than relying solely on conventional combustion engines, These support boats demonstrate how emerging energy systems can function in demanding maritime environments, including elite international sailing competitions.